वास्कोतले चडशे वाठार कंटेनमेंट झोन म्हूण जाहीर केल्यात. त्या वाठारांत रावपी लोकांक खाण पावोवपाचें काम प्रशासनाचें. मात प्रशासनाच्या निश्काळजीपणाक लागून कंटेनमेंट झोनांत लोकांक एकठांय येवचें पडलें. गोंय प्रशासनान लोकां म्हऱ्यान खाण पावयल्लें जाल्यार लोक भायर सरचे नासले. प्रशासन खात्यान कंटेनमेंट क्षेत्र जाहीर करतना कांय वाठारांचो अधिसुचोवणेंत आस्पाव करूंक नाशिल्ल्यान कांय दिसां फाटीं घडिल्ल्या बोवाळाक प्रशासनच जबाबदार आसा, असो आरोप वास्कोचो आमदार कार्लोस आल्मेदान गोंय सरकाराच्या प्रशासनाचेर केला.
वार्ड नंबर 11 and वार्ड नंबर 17 साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिक्लेअर केले as containment area. See, the collector and his team had not applied the mind in the first place. First place, they had made a mistake by saying ward number 11, ward number 17 part. Inga Vasco eyes ward number 10, ward number 12, ward number 16, ward number 19, 4 extra ward. There are total 6 wards affected. The district administration have done a big blunder in the declaration of the notification. Number one. Second, meeting with the collector and the deputy collector, they got supplies. Circular point raise केला the लोकांक बरं ते सारको point. अरे आम्ही वोट द्यायचं लोकांकडून वयता प्रोविजन त्यांना दिवपाक. Now as per the health act, the district administration in charge, they have supply. See why the people are hungry. First when the meeting held in municipality, then he said that the municipal council will be there, and there are only 2,000 houses. Then we showed him that there are more people. Now they have realized there are more people after distribution. Still, I feel that I have asked the Chief Minister, I wrote, asking for rearrangement of the areas, the wards, because unnecessary or other people are put into inconvenience. I Mangra loka tras sala ambulance nahi na other part of Mangur. Today there is no ambulance to take passengers from COVID patients. One more issue I want to say, when checking was done पहिले, checking Mangra nita बोलना काल मोती दोगर झाले 2 दिवस झाले 900 लोकांक काल चेक केला मोती दोगर मंगोर मारगाव. Why they have not checked this in Vasco also? Why Vasco is getting step by the treatment? Vasco has given 4 BJP MLAs to the government. Vasco, Murmugaon, Dabolim and Kortalim. Why they step by the treatment of Vasco? For what? And we have given 4 MLAs with the people of Vasco have given 4 MLAs. See, I am actually very sad today that Vasco is being neglected by the government. Provision देना है लोका provision दिपा दे. एक दिन provision दिले मैं बंद केले. I don't understand. I called the Chief Minister so many times. I messaged him also. I am in touch with the Secretary and the South Goa Collector. They are both good officers. But I am feeling sorry for the people of Vasco. I want to send a strong message saying that when voting happens to Mangra Hospade, Ami, Nara Mangu Loka, Ami support Gurbanaka, Anik Padimak Sang, but Saifullah Kel Sarkela. See what Saifullah has done, the people are frustrated.